What's up YouTube? This is the Internet Income Ninja bringing another money making video to you. If you like the content I've shared, if you've seen my stuff before, support, hit the subscribe button, smash the notification bell, like, comment and share for more amazing ways to make money online daily. Now, this video, you can make money as an art director at a company called Disruptive Games. And for the record, I am going to be keeping this one very short, very to the point, very simple. Okay? Now, Disruptive Games, as I said, is looking for an art director. You can work remotely, meaning from home, from a coffee shop. You don't go into office, is really what that means. This position is available worldwide. So if you're someone who is into gaming, is into art, and you are a nomad, you travel, or you don't like going into office because of the pandemic, you want to keep yourself safe, or maybe you've worked in an office for a long time and you want to switch things up and work from home or try the virtual thing, this is for you. So here's the description. Disruptive Games is looking to hire a full-time art director to help with our upcoming AAA internal project. This is a work-from-home job with a fully remote team. What you'll do is work with principal concept artists to help define the virtual style of our internal project. You'll give direct feedback to individual contributors using red lines and/or paint overs. You'll work with producers to help manage the effects team, environment art team, animation team, and modeling team. You'll work with designers to help define the visual language of the game's design. You'll work with other directors to help define the company's culture, help tutor and guide artists through their desired career path. You'll help create efficient art pipelines that are optimized for quality. You'll manage external art outsource teams. Now, qualifications, you need to be able to present a portfolio of work from previous projects. You should have shipped at least one console or PC game. You've managed a team of 6 or more artists for at least 5 years or more. You'd have a background in a major visual discipline such as concept art or character modeling. You've helped define the visual style of a game or major piece of media, and you play video games regularly and are familiar with the modern gaming. Bonus points if you have a bachelor's degree in a related field. Bonus points, not necessarily a must. There are many people who have intense, amazing work experience and they deliver, they even over-deliver, and they don't have a degree. Now, I'm not shutting down a degree. I'm just saying if you don't have a degree but you have the requisite work experience, you can bag this job. Experience in another game development discipline, i.e. illustration, level or character art, programming, animation, etc. Development experience on Switch, PlayStation, and/or Xbox. You show a general interest in game design and visual design language. Now, the last 4 things I mentioned are bonus points. It's a bonus if you have these, not a must. Please include a link to your portfolio in the cover letter portion of your application. Now, when I see stuff like this, it signals a challenge. If you don't do this, they will just automatically disregard your application. Include a link to your portfolio in the cover letter portion of your application. So you have a cover letter, put the link to work you've done in your cover letter. So when they open applications, they're expecting to see links in cover letters, right? Now, here's a point. There's a link to a free website called Canva, which is the second link in the description. The first link is actually a link to free information that will teach you how to create your own business online. This business can be run passively. Otherwise, if you set it up, you can check on it, say, once in a while, 30 minutes a day, an hour a day. Literally, you're designing a system that can run on autopilot, right? Now, if you have the desire to have a business like that while you're actually doing your active income, have something passively in the background working, check the first link in the description below. If not, for cover letters, resumes, templates are on Canva for free. Just click the second link that says Canva. When you upload or when you select a template, remember to put your link in the cover letter. There are templates for cover letters. Remember to put your link in the cover letter. I cannot stress that enough. Now, guys, if you appreciate what I've shared, when you've watched this video, look for the link that says about the lead. That will take you to this page. When you click that link, and hit this button to apply for this job. That says apply for this job. And then that's where you'll upload your cover letter, your resume, and stuff like that. All right. So guys, let me know what you think. Let me know where you're watching from, and how these videos and money-making ways that I've shared have helped you. Okay. Letting me know how they've helped you helps me create content that will help you. So I appreciate the feedback. So comment, subscribe, like, share, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe. Happy holidays.